Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You are watching a weekly link up with me, Kate Stichina. We are going to discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with the technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. Subdued trading during the holiday shortened week left the euro-dollar pair in the previous trading range. The quote ranges between 110.80 and 111.80. Hello, Peter. Next week is going to be much more active. What prospects do you see for the euro-dollar pair at the end of 2019 and beginning of the next year?
Hello, dear traders. First of all, I want to wish you happy holidays to all of you. And I'm sure that you will enjoy and that you will be ready for the next year and for lots of opportunities that the new year will for sure bring us. So enjoy your holidays. I want to say about the euro dollar, what I can see on the euro dollar is basically that there is a rejection for the major resistance in the background. So the level of 1.174 did a very good job and in terms of resisting the price for going higher, and we found aggressive sellers around that point. So what I see basically on the 8-hour time frame is that price is basically going downwards and there is a short-term downward trend. So I do expect a downside move on this currency pair, and potential downward targets are set at the price of 1.1040 and 1.0985. So watch for selling opportunities. I think that 8-hour frame is suggesting there is a potential like a bear flag on this currency pair, and my advice is absolutely watch for selling opportunities on the rallies on the euro versus US dollar.
Does the euro pair British pound have a chance to recover its losses?
On the British pound versus US dollar from the other side, what I found is there was a big climax in the background. Basically, according to the 8-hour time frame, I found a massive climax. Basically, the climax is represented by the very wide range of the bar and going on the very ultra high volume, and that exactly happened, and that was a big markup, and basically the sellers reacted because of that and totally absorbed that climax. So the selling pressure is active on the British pound versus US dollar. I do think that we might have another down cycle, another downswing. So because of that, my advice is absolutely to watch for selling opportunities. And similar like the euro dollar, the British pound versus US dollar also got a bearish flag in creation, in my opinion, and the important resistance levels around 1.300 and 1.3050. So watch for these resistances eventually to establish your sell position, because I think they're good levels for potential selling positions. The downward targets are set at the price of 1.2840, and the second target is set at the price of 1.2785. Again, price is trading on the downside cycle, and there is the Keltner channel is basically sloping downwards. So watch for selling opportunities on the rallies.
And what about the dollar-yen pair, which also stuck in the sideways trend? Will it manage to break out of the trading range? If it will, then in which direction?
On the USD versus Japanese yen, there is a very interesting situation, because according to a daily time frame and the weekly time frame, there is the breakout of the inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is a very big one, and it might have the larger impact, the bigger duration, because it's a very big inverted head and shoulders formation, which is basically a sign that the buyers are in control, and you should watch for short-term buying opportunities on this currency pair. My advice is basically for the upward targets, for some near upward targets, is basically to put it at 110.55. There is a first resistance base in the background there. And then if you see the breakout of this level, then watch for potential 111.20, like a second upward target. Again, breakout of the inverted head and shoulders pattern in the background, short term, seems like a very, very good condition for the upside, and the momentum is bullish, so watch for buying opportunities.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations. See you next week. You have watched the link up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading. See you soon.